Hey everyone, Jill B. Denson here. I'm here to tell you a little bit about TruAura and how to get started with it. First of all, TruAura Beauty Company is started by Rick Heath, he's our CEO, and he actually grew up in this business. His parents were the original founders of Beauty Control, Dick and Ginger Heath. And we also have our product guru named Gary Jones, who is the former Vice President of Product Development at Beauty Control. And he is now currently head of our product development in TruAura Beauty. He is the one who masterminded all of our great products with Beauty Control, and he has brought many of the high-end ingredients that you experienced in our former line over into the current line. He has greatly improved. These new products will be the latest technology in probiotic skincare treatments. They're all natural, they're on trend, and they're something that's going to outshine everything else in the industry. Our probiotic will be first of its kind in the direct sale market. It's also a great ground floor business opportunity. Now, what sets our probiotic apart is the fact that it has anti-aging ingredients. Some of those ingredients I mentioned just a minute ago that were in some of our former products will also be included. Now, probiotics, you find these in yogurt and supplements, and now you find them in skincare. So it's like health food for your skin. The same good bacteria that helps your stomach also helps your skin. Your skin is the second largest microbiome to your gut. So what you apply on your skin is very important. Now, applying probiotics, what this does is it stimulates productions of defense cells that help restore your skin's natural balance, which helps it look healthy, young, and clear, and it decreases any sensitivity, any redness. And because now that you've built up your own natural skin immunities, it will fight all of these bad things going on. The ingredients are naturally derived, or what we call bioidentical. It's actually what's called bioidentical in the industry, not just us. Ingredients are clean and safe and made to promote a healthy skin flora. We have a minimal ingredient list, no more than 30 ingredients in any one product, and no synthetic preservatives. We have a very strict no list, and we will not include anything that would be considered harmful to your skin. There are no sulfates, no glutens, no parabens, no artificial dyes, and we never test on animals. And so we've put together both the probiotic with natural plant-based ingredients. We've also included some essential oils and 3 very powerful peptides to give you some incredible results. Now, if you don't know about peptides, what peptides are, they mimic your skin's own natural ability to produce collagen. And it triggers your skin to tell your brain, produce some more collagen. Now, these powerful peptides aid in reversing damage very quickly, including hyperpigmentation. And our new eye cream, it will address the under eye darkness and boost collagen producing to decrease fine lines and wrinkles. It's going to be a good, safe alternative to Botox because it will help relax those muscles. Now, the results are amazing. You'll see both immediate and long-term results, and they're going to work at a very deep cellular level. Now, we will also be introducing a full line of makeup as well as a full line of skin, bath, and body products. So there are 2 ways to receive these products. One is become a member of our TruAura Loyalty Club. And what this does for you, you'll receive 15% off of your 4-piece skincare that will be delivered directly to your doorstep every 60 days so that you never, ever run out of your product. And you can add on any products and continue to receive 15% off. And beginning the third shipment, you actually receive free shipping on the remainder of from that third shipment on. You will receive free shipping on those shipments. And we also have an incredible business opportunity for get started on a ground floor opportunity for only $189. And if you're watching this before February 19th, it's actually $159. So let me share my screen and show you how you would do this. Okay, so here you should be seeing my home page for TruAuraBeauty.com/JillB.Denson. Here you will see right at the top, you would put your cursor right in front of the join, and right there is where you will see either TLC enrollment, which is your TruAura Loyalty Club, or consultant enrollment. If you click on TLC enrollment, you will receive information about the Loyalty Club. And then at the very, very bottom, you'll see join the TruAura Loyalty Club. You click on that, and then since you will be a new registrar, you click continue because you don't have an account. But once you do get your account, then you will go to the exact same place and you will log in, and there you'll be able to add any additional products you want. And so once you press continue, this is where you will see my picture and information. You will see the information about the core skincare and the price. As you see, it as a discounted price because it's regularly $142. You complete all of your information. You must click the verify address so that they're sure they're sending it to an actual address. You create a username and password so that you can log in the future. You have your shipping information. Again, you have to verify, and this is just verifying it with a postal code is what that's verifying. And you input your billing information, no dashes, no spaces. You must check, I agree to the terms and conditions, and then submit. And once you submit, you will receive a summary page, just like this one. Let me show you what that summary page will look like. So now I've put one in, and it will have the information, the billing information, what type of shipping you would like to utilize, and it will show the 4 core skincare. And then right here at the bottom, you will see in purple, it says click here to complete enrollment. Minimize the screen a little bit to make sure that you can see this click here to complete enrollment. So until you click that, this is just a summary. Now once I click here to complete the enrollment, it will finalize the order and it will go through. So now that again is how you create a TruAura loyalty client. Now if you're interested in becoming on a ground floor business opportunity, you would actually choose the other option where you would join as a consultant, and it's the same sort of thing. It goes through the web page explaining everything here. You're going to click join today. The same here, you don't have an ID yet. You select either an English kit or Spanish consultant kit. This says $159 because it is before February 19th. Beginning February 19th, it will say $189. Add this to the order, then continue. The same information is required. The one difference is here, you get to choose your own website, just like I have the TruAuraBeauty.com/JillB.Denson. You get to put your website name, and it does not have to be the same as your username. Username is for you to log in. Website name is, again, for your website. And then at the very bottom, again, you must verify your address, which is verifying with the postal department, and you must agree to the terms and conditions, and then you submit. Once you submit, again, you will receive the summary page that you have to verify everything on the summary page. Make sure it has the information on the right. And then you will click here to finalize. If you do not click that second finalize, the one at the very bottom of the summary page, your order, your enrollment will not go through. So make sure that you review that summary page, make sure it has the appropriate person you were intending to register with, as well as all of your information as you expected and the correct shipping that you would like to utilize. And then click here to finalize, and now you're a TruAura either loyalty consultant or a business consultant. So I want to thank you for your time, and I look forward to seeing you on our team.